out is a fundraising event. The money goes to St Basil's to help prevent youth homelessness, but it also helps raise awareness of issues around homelessness, certainly in Birmingham, but also wider afield. And the money raised goes to preventing youth homelessness so that young people don't have to sleep in cold boxes. The event mirrors something that we are preventing within Birmingham.
To be honest, because it's something that a lot of people do forget, especially around this time of year. I mean, sat in like our little boxes over here, you just kind of think, just sat there and you're like, God, people actually kind of live in this sort of thing, like day to day, and I just couldn't imagine it, do you know what I mean?
And really, I slept on the floor without anything, only blanket, but I still felt happy and comfortable.
A lot of teamwork activity, everyone sort of helping each other and getting together and working as a team, uniting, which is very nice to see.
Do you think this event in any way makes you sort of understand better the experiences of a homeless person?
Definitely. I think it's something that we wouldn't have done before, and something new and something we learn from.
Well, this is probably the warmest that we've had our house over the last 3 times we've done it. Looking forward to tonight, hoping it doesn't rain too much more, but I guess that's all kind of part of it, part of the fun.
I think it's important for people to come out and sort of feel for a day or for a night what most people go through every night in the cold, especially in the winter. And I think we have a choice here, so we only do it for one night. It's optional. There's a lot of people who don't have that choice, and they have to do this every night, and it's cold, and they've got no food, and they've got no money. So I think, in a way, we get to appreciate how hard it is for them, and we raise awareness about what they go through.
Well, I have most certainly been telling everybody about what I'm doing tonight. And I will continue to tell everybody, because I do think that people should be aware about what goes on outside of their 4 walls.
Yeah, it's very wet, but it's like a shanty town.
How difficult have you found it putting together the cardboard shelters?
Because it collapsed twice. We had to like re-mend it. Yeah. And water's coming through. Yeah.
It's a great event. I didn't realise that it's so blooming cold out at this time of year. Makes you feel quite sorry for the people who have to do this every night. And it's quite difficult to build a shelter. We've never built one before, have we? Yeah. We had a couple of collapses, but it's all okay now. It's a big experience. I've never done anything like it, but it's fun. It's like you have to build stuff with each other, so it's like group activities and uniting and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm enjoying myself so far.
Hey, you're right. I feel really good, thanks.
So far so good. Really enjoying ourselves. We've built our dens. I've never done anything like this before, so it's a complete new experience for me.
Yeah, I think it's really important that we should all remember that people are less fortunate, and for us it's just one night. Night. Didn't matter how cold it was or where it was. We've got the luxury of going back to our own bed.
I think it's a really good thing. I mean, with the way everybody's kind of set up camp in their own little spot with everybody, it just shows that everybody's creative and everybody is like here for.
And the people here, they show lots of humanity and friendly and smiling every second. There is a lot of love this night.
I mean, what I hope for is what people don't appreciate at Christmas times when they're spending it with the family. They're around the Christmas table and they're eating anything and everything and so on. I think what this needs to bring out to people is that this reality, and people out there, young people especially, living on the streets do exist. We're in the 21st century, and it shouldn't be happening, but unfortunately, for unknown reasons, these things do happen. So I think by sort of everyone getting together and making a shout, so I'm hoping that it can bring awareness and make people more aware of today's situation, poverty, and so on, and just for people to do their bit and just to, where they can, just give a bit of what they can, and just appreciate what people are doing, what they're having to go through when they are eating their Christmas dinner and opening presents and seeing their loved ones. People don't have that, and it's a shame.
All right. And how do you feel?
Quite warm, actually. Surprisingly warm.
All right.
No, how do I feel? I don't know. Just doing it. I probably know how I feel tomorrow and the day after, when we get our sponsor money.